Hello, and we're gonna be doing s'mores. So what you will need is marshmallows. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. Graham crackers. I'll be right back. And chocolate. So we're just gonna go outside.
Now I do selfless things without even thinking about it.
That's great. I'm proud of you. So what are you doing?
Oh, I forgot.
I hear the fire. Be right back. And you need a stick light picture in my hair. So what you want to do first is grab a marshmallow. Hold on. So
Come and give me some paper plate.
you're gonna grab a marshmallow.
Don't forget your graham cracker ready.
And hold on, guys. What you do is have your graham cracker ready. And here's stuff. So you're gonna get close
Roast your mallow.
and put it in the fire.
I'll put it in the fire and roast it. Move it
Roast it and
Get it nice and warm.
it's burning me. Get it nice and
Where's the metal one?
get it nice
Got
and
you the metal
warm.
one. It's longer.
Yeah, I need the metal one.
Get the metal one.
Karen, could you please give me the metal one? Hey, I need the metal one.
Carmen's gonna make her own.
Because it's burning me.
It's getting all cold. Burn me or not is worth it. Okay.
Hey,
It barely does anything. I put it too close, look, it's scorched.
No, you touched the damn thing.
Yeah.
it's gonna fall over. Whoa, it's hot.
This is a huge freaking marshmallow, let me tell you.
Yeah, this is way too big.
This is too big.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Ah.
Marshmallow's the best part of your life.
Ooh, there you go.
Roast it.
Hold it like this, Nevaeh. At the very, very end.
So,
So you don't get burned. Or we could get a stick from the tree.
really?
Yeah, this thing actually still burns your finger.
What does?
This.
As long as that is?
Yeah.
It's not getting.
Where's the top of your graham cracker? Carmen, let me get the top part of her graham cracker. You need to smush it like this when it gets all...
Let's see right here. Could you hold it for me, please? So, what you want? Hold on.
Can't record and do all this. That's for sure.
Hmm?
I'm trying to record and stuff.
You're gonna. I feel like it's gonna drop or something.
Carmen, you finished with that metal one?
Yeah, I just literally finished. Careful, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's not hot, it's cold. I'm touching it.
Like, don't get too close to the top.
No, pull down while I'm pulling up. There you go.
It's gonna fall.
You gotta move it around.
Hold on, hold this.
Oh, look at my hair's though. Go ahead.